My name's Ian from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I've worked in the solar industry since 2009. I want to share how we made it through a 5-day power outage with the help of the smart panel. I have a 10.6 kilowatt solar array mounted on a few different roof surfaces, and I've got that paired with a Solar Edge battery and inverter. It's a 10 kilowatt hour battery. The loads that we control with our smart panel are the central air heat pump system, the air handler, heat pump water heater, the major kitchen appliances, dishwasher, induction cooktop, and combo oven microwave, as well as the dryer for our laundry. It was late April, and even a couple days leading up to this, I was hearing that this coming front had the conditions to be a major storm event. The power went out kind of midway through the most intense part of the storm. We saw the lights drop and it switched over to the battery. My whole street and most of the neighborhood I live in was out for that 5-day period. The smart panel gives us insight into the energy usage of the largest loads in our home. So cooking appliances, HVAC, and particularly in this outage, the hot water. We have a heat pump water heater. And at this time of year, that's probably our biggest consumer of electricity. And so as soon as the outage occurred, getting into the app and seeing what was using electricity, what impact that was going to have on our battery life. And we had a full tank of hot water, turning that off with the smart panel and then back on at other strategic times ended up being really helpful. The smart panel app is very intuitive, easy to use. I was able to continue to use the app effectively during the storm, even though the Wi-Fi was down. So with my phone and the smart panel still attached to that local network, I was still able to see what was going on with the energy usage and make adjustments to it. There were 4 of us in the household through the full outage, and I extended the invitation to neighbors, who many of which were without power, to come and charge devices or utilize our energy if they needed to. And some of them took us up on that. We were able to keep a hearing aid charged for a neighbor whose house was badly damaged by a tree. With the smart panel, we were able to never be without power during the 5-day outage. So the data really gave us the information we needed to feel confident of when it made sense to use appliances and when it didn't.